How to fix Call of Duty Black Ops Cold War keeps crashing on Windows PC. 1. Check that your PC is capable. Upgrade your hardware if possible. 2. Run your game in DXX11 mode by typing D3D11 into Black Ops Cold War's additional command line arguments. Hat. Battle.net launcher games choose Call of Duty. BOCW options game settings. 3. Update your graphics driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 4. Check for Windows updates. 5. Repair then update your game files in Battle.net launcher. 6. Disable VSync in graphics settings by turning off gameplay VSync and menu VSync. 7. Disable unnecessary programs via WTM. 8. Change the play region in the version/region section. 9. Make sure English is your Windows display language. 10. Switch to windowed mode by pressing Alt plus Enter key. 11. Link your Activision and Blizzard accounts at https://s.activision.com/activision/login. 12. Disable hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. 13. Disable in-game ray tracing. Path, settings graphics turn off ray tracing sun shadows, ray tracing local shadows and ray tracing ambient occlusion in ray tracing.